Hello and Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we will learn about the question bank and the worksheet of mapping skills. Now, questions are given with answers. So, read the questions carefully and learn how to answer these questions in a suitable way for your exam. First of all, what is map? A map is a visual representation of an entire area or a part of an area, typically represented on a flat surface. Then what are the 5 basic parts of the map? The 5 basic parts of the map are title, key, scale, grid and north. What is scale? Scale is the relation between the actual size and the size of the paper. It helps us to read the map and calculate the actual size or distance. Then how scale can be shown? Scale can be shown in 3 ways: in words, as a ratio or as a line. What is direction? Direction is used to determine where things are in relation to other things. For geographical purpose, the direction is more specific. It can describe the position. So what is direction? Direction show us the position. And in geography, the direction is a specific point. In geography, the direction is shown as cardinal and ordinal points. Explain a compass. An instrument containing a magnetized pointer that shows the direction of magnetic north and bearing from it is called a compass. What are cardinal directions? The 4 main compass directions, north, east, south and west. North, south, east and west are called cardinal directions, and they are commonly denoted by their initials N, S, E and W in capital letters. What are ordinal directions? There are 12 ordinal directions, and these are the points between main cardinal points. अब अगर आपने इसको कंपेयर करना है ना, तो अगर क्वेश्चन पेपर में आपको आता है कंपेयर कार्डिनल एंड ऑर्डिनल डायरेक्शंस, तो आप प्रॉपर एक प्रोसेस यूज़ करेंगे जो होता है कंपैरिजन प्रोसेस. दोनों को एक दूसरे के सामने लिखेंगे और उसमें लिखते जाएंगे. कार्डिनल डायरेक्शंस आर द 4 मेन डायरेक्शंस. Point 1, point 2, north, south, east and west are basic cardinal points. Then there are 4 cardinal points. Then ordinal points. Ordinal points are the further division of cardinal points. There are 12 cardinal points. What are the types of north? There are 3 types of north: true north, magnetic north and grid north. What is bearing? A bearing provides a direction given as the primary compass direction in degree. Or you can simply say when the direction is shown is in degrees, it is known as bearing. Now a reflection question from your book. Define direction. Direction is used to determine where things are in relation to other things. For geographical purpose, the direction is more specific. It can describe the position directions in measured by a compass. The compass has 4 coordinates and 12 ordinal points. Then question number 2, the scale on a map states 2 cm to 1 km expressed as a ratio and as a line. The scale is 2 cm to 1 km first, and we have to show it express is as a ratio and as a line, and the scale is given in words. As a ratio 2:1, then as a line we have to show it in centimeters. Contrast the method used to measure straight line and curved line distance. Now we use scale to measure the distance between 2 points, but if we have to measure the a position or a distance of a curved point, how we measure the distance? First of all, the process to measure the straight line. Straight line distance can be measured through a scale and a strip of paper. Main points and place strip of mark points and place strip of paper, then place paper on linear scale and measure distance. It is a very simple method. Then curve distance. Curve distance on a map can be measured by a strip of paper, a thread and with help of a flexible curve. Now curve distance को measure करने के लिए हमें या तो हम कोई स्ट्रिप यूज़ कर लेंगे, या हम थ्रेड यूज़ करेंगे, या फिर फ्लेक्सिबल कर्व यूज़ करेंगे। अगर फ्लेक्सिबल कर्व यूज़ करते हैं तो वो तो बहुत सिंपल है। फ्लेक्सिबल कर्व क्या होता है? एक स्केल होता है जो कि फ्लेक्सिबल होता है। बट अगर हम थ्रेड से करेंगे डिस्टेंस मेजर, तो हम क्या करेंगे, उन दोनों पॉइंट्स के दरमियान जो कर्व है उस पर प्लेस करेंगे एक थ्रेड को, और फिर उस थ्रेड को हम लीनियर स्केल पर रख के मेजर कर लेंगे। लेकिन शर्त यह है कि वो नॉन इलास्टिक हो। These non-elastic string will mark on curved distance, and then distance can be marked by putting them on a linear scale. Straight line को हम simply scale से मेजर कर सकते हैं, जबकि curved line को हमें किसी ऐसे मटेरियल, ऐसे थ्रेड या स्ट्रिंग की मदद से मेजर करना है, और फिर उसको कैलकुलेट मेजर कर लेना है हमने लीनियर स्केल पे रख के। Summarize the different types of measurement in the table provided. Distance and bearing. Measuring tool. For distance space, what is the distance space between 2 points is known as distance, and bearing the direction of one point in the reference to a base point in degrees calculated in a clockwise direction is known as bearing. Then distance can be measured with the help of linear scale, and bearing can be measured with the help of a protractor. It is the fourth question in your reflection. Then fifth question, evaluate the usefulness of navigation with the compass in the present day. कि आज के दौर में भी क्या नेविगेशन पर्पस के लिए कंपास ज़रूरी है? A compass is a navigational instrument for determining directions relative to the Earth's magnetic poles. The compass greatly improved the safety and efficiency of travel, especially ocean travel. It is still important in the modern present day. The magnetic compass was an important advance in navigation because it allowed mariners to determine their direction. It uses a magnetic needle that can turn freely so that it is always point to the north pole of the Earth's magnetic field. अगरचे आज यूज़ होने वाले कंपास पुराने कंपास से ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव्ड हैं, ठीक है, जदीद हो गए, बट स्टिल दे आर इन यूज एंड स्टिल दे आर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर नेविगेशन. Now activity, measure distance and show in the ratio and as a line. A curved line is given. You have to measure the distance of the curved line. So procedure is given. Take a string or thread, measure the distance with the thread and put the thread on a linear scale and measure. ये एक्टिविटी ज़रूर कीजिएगा, आपके कंसेप्ट को क्लियर करेगी कि कोई भी कर्व्ड पॉइंट ले लें दो, ठीक है, और उसके ऊपर स्ट्रिंग या किसी थ्रेड को रख के उन कर्व को मेजर कर लें. फिर उस स्ट्रिंग को आपने लीनियर जो सिंपल आपके पास स्केल है उसके ऊपर रख के मेजर करना है. और स्केल क्या है? 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 5 मीटर. फिर आपने उसको मेजर भी करके दिखाना है कि एक्चुअली ये कितने बड़े एरिया को शो कर रहा है. नाउ वर्कशीट, fill in the blanks is given here. Then marks true or false. Then draw and label cardinal and ordinal points and define bearing. Answer these. Why north is important? Explain types of north. Then measure bearing of these points and answer key is given here. So इस वर्कशीट, जब आप इस वर्कशीट को देखेंगे साथ साथ आप नोट करते जाएं इनको. नोट, इट्स अ टाइप ऑफ सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन कि आप इसको अपनी नोटबुक पे नोट करें. उसके बाद आप इसको फिल करने के बाद आंसर की वो चेक कीजिए कि आपको कितना आता है. इट्स द सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन और सेल्फ टेस्ट. You don't learn to walk by following rules. You learn by doing and by falling over. Thank you.